Hey guys, welcome back. Route 66 Restoration. I received this box in the mail the other day, and it is my new welder, Arc Captain MiG 200. It's not the 250. Been watching a lot of reviews on these things. I just don't see paying $700 for a new welder. For me, it's kind of a moot point. I'm doing specific things. I had originally started the project with the Century welder that I bought back in like 1997, and it just wasn't doing very well on welding the thin metal. So my friend James loaned me his Lincoln, and I've been using that for almost a year, and just been watching a lot of guys with Fitzy fabrications and then make it custom, and several of these other guys have bought these MiG 200s, and so I pulled the trigger. I got a pretty good deal. There was a promotional code that give $40 off, so I took advantage of that. Plus the new one, which is the 205 MP, which is a pulse type system welder, I guess, but it is multi-process also. So I wanted to give this a whirl. If I want to try some TIG welding on steel, I guess I just have to buy the equipment for this, but it'll do that also. So I don't know, maybe give her a whirl. It's something new to try. So take it easy. Just wanted to show you what I'm getting. Now I'll unbox it and get her revved up.